If you need accessible public transportation, Google Maps provides a wheelchair-accessible route option in supported cities. This feature helps you find transit routes that avoid stairs, reduce barriers, and prioritize stations with elevators or accessible facilities. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your destination. Once it loads, click Directions and enter your starting point so you can generate possible travel routes. Next, switch to transit mode by selecting the train or bus icon. This will show available public transportation options instead of driving routes. After the transit routes appear, look for the Route Options or Settings menu. This is usually found as a three-dot menu or a small settings button depending on the interface. Inside Route Options, look for the Wheelchair Accessible setting. If this feature is available in your region, you can enable it to filter routes that are designed to accommodate mobility needs. Once enabled, Google Maps will update the list of transit routes. You may notice that some routes disappear while others are highlighted because they include accessible stations, elevators, or step-free paths. Select one of the accessible routes to view full step-by-step details. This includes which buses or trains to take, where to transfer, and how long each segment of the journey will take. In some cases, Google Maps may also show accessibility notes for specific stations, such as whether elevators are available or if certain exits are easier to access. It is important to note that wheelchair-accessible transit routing is not available in all cities. It depends on whether local transit authorities provide accessibility data to Google Maps. If the option does not appear, it means that accessibility routing is not supported in that area, and you may need to check local transit websites for additional information. When available, this feature is especially helpful for planning safe and convenient public transport trips for people with mobility needs. And that's how you check wheelchair-accessible transit routes in Google Maps. Use directions, switch to transit mode, enable accessibility options, and choose routes that support step-free travel.